Gyamfi na Ghana for gold so. Meanwhile no, wakoche mranti atrase. Aka kire wo mo se, omommoa wo mo no ma ban ba, ombe mo ma ye galamse. Enti dia 20th of October na ye kwasiada. Ena mko share wo mo bo. Mo wie na mo yi another kwasiada. Ena mo ku wo mo. Isn't it? Isn't it? Mo frɛ wo mo 20th of October. Ena mo ku wo mo da ben. Ena mo ku wo mo da ben. Mo anche ka 4 days then ka 20th na. For be start doing galamse. Say yensuo na ye na. Suddenly ya to abani we yensuo na ye. Maame abrewa bi na ne ko ntintin na. Ofa akwala 9 years so say 12 years. Eko endanger in life. So mo ye ka be maame na wan. Or why you see this country, this country, that country called Ghana. Fine, gentlemen, wait. Fine. Now, so that me tie one more with the winner. Salifuna, Ibrahim, na said, na said, na Salifuna, Ibrahim, dear. Moya, de be dance, I say, oh, I dance memo. Because me kwa me a dance, you know, me cause me kwa ye gala. Ghana, would you want to say? What's a major view? Obi a wadi NDC chia papa Obuasi phobia ni brai onya basabasa wo brai onya basabasa wo Zaki obi a wadi NDC chi Zaki obi a wo boa the youth of Obuasi na Zaki telebe bi na mo friend no de ne call Mawuli hotel mo de Zak e call Mawuli hotel I can't share Brazak say na wo nchi Sammy Gyamfi Brian Ojina we amadada na amanewu wo waja ne yire ne nabusuafo wo Sammy Gyamfi, how do you feel about this? He is a leader in his community. He is not a criminal. This man is not a criminal. He's a businessman. Now my friend no dey call Mawuli hotel. So I do Mahama in we o mo for pickers. No mo nko asase na so na wo nkodi na wo Sammy Gyamfi why you quote kakaka edin nam krom wakoku obi ba obi kunu obi nia obi wofa odi wo didi ma obi di na me pa cho video ne be start here me pese mo share ade bi nso e wo video ni mu police ni bi gina ho police ni no oye MPB a ye na minister ne bodyguard ye be gina ye betwem enro a me kan video we ho asem into the we NDC women's organizer tie dio mami a woka say oye NDC women's organizer e wo boase omo ko hia galamsefo e wo boase on the 20th of October 2024 me pacho venue no e ye Mawuli hotel venue no baby a meeting we course no e ye Mawuli hotel Sammy Gyamfi okodu ho anumrebe 8 p.m. me da say me set light na da munyi na aso tie video ya me bebo yi e ye videos mi ensa e na me bebo ka say it videos mi ensa e na me ba bebo video na me bebo no sa meeting we e course Sunday the 20th of October na just send this for there kwasi ada pen omo de yaboni on dey say omo share omo Sunday and omo ku omo Sunday 20th of October and a sa video ya me beboy e course so e wo Mawuli hotel e wo Obuasi e wo he Mawuli hotel e wo Obuasi omo di ka ko twen Sammy Gyamfi obeduru ho anumre 8 p.m. Obano na MPA ya no minister and the police ni and na me ba be yin video a chere me I no na pa cha omuntie women's organizer I don't pass like police ni now that's what they did how I had to do my friend was people want to the papa say can find to go back the thing of what's my problem the show when I'm so able to watch out women's organizer natural mo say
promote now. You want to make a fast now. Not a catch the man so we not take the number. Yes,
okay, I feel won't see a video way. And also Martin Sammy Gyamfi, Daddy. I'm one Sammy Gyamfi, I can't send Schwar, Mahama. Everything.
Yeah, let's say it now. Let your mama and if you have yes, it's just something. But yes, I'm not going to see as a person years and but my as a water over you are, and you're never possible. Yeah, actually, the best level. Obia para kumati.
And my question is, lawyer Sammy Gyamfi, I hear then I go for member penny for way. I do what say. I promise you, woman, some more my galam say. No more quiet galam say now. Most shut up cosmos with their force on make woman. That is the question. Why is Sammy Gyamfi quiet about what he instigated? Sammy Gyamfi, who could share on the 20th of October at Mawuli Hotel, and you may 8 p.m. I can't share one say, someone buy my pet, someone buy my pet, almost for pickers. No more for pickers, and not Joe Mahama, Commander in Chief. Why would I see you? So at what point and our boss a friend say you kukuomo? At what point? Zach was at this meeting. Zach was at this meeting. One I catch you almost say mobile power mo for mo pickers. No more phone call. No more phone phone. It was your word. And when they did what you people asked them to do, you killed them. You killed them. One my abomu to a Sammy Gyamfi, wo a free school won't quite do maybe other woman brebi other. What the PMMC ano? Wo we a school when you do maybe other. Oh, airport hills dying. Wo and a wukun Zach. Wo and a wukun Zach. Sammy Gyamfi. Wo. Now me Zach abusu afo. I will give you this video. Yes. Now for course. Sammy Gyamfi wo na wukun Zach. Everything that happened in Obuasi, Sammy Gyamfi, Captain Smart, John Mahama, any women's organizer of the NDC. And it's as simple as that. Sammy Gyamfi, NDC women's organizer, and John Mahama, spearheaded by Captain on Smart, Sandy Perfui, and the Kumkum on Crawford Yamoma. Because video number 3. Now, yeah, me crying dear Mary. Momo yenya power. Na yenya power po bi amfani pickers. Enko asase a wo Sammy Gyamfi. Wo ye lawyer ni. You know fucking very well. Say trespassing a crime. Asase na da ho obo you see e o masase. Wo ye lawyer ni. Na wa boy the panel, na wa deceive you woman. Na commander in blame the soldiers. The soldiers acted under John Mahama's command. Kwasie, ko school. Lily aboye madie, ko school. Ha mo muti Jimmy for no. The other can waka no. Ko school. Uko school la. Uba say the commander-in-chief of Ghana Armed Forces is His Excellency, any president at that time. So I am blaming the soldiers. That is why John Mahama is part. If I'm blaming Sammy Gyamfi too, John Mahama is part. Because John Mahama has sworn Sammy Gyamfi. Soldier for uncle during election, no mammy fin, a boaba. Soldier for coho kwesiada. Soldier for coho kwesiada. And you are China soldier for coho, and then another never soldier for so. Moya mua, yes, Mungo school, Namsimunsiadian. Moya muano. Some of you, Moya buama. You are such a useless animal. You are not just an animal. You are a useless animal like mosquito. Some of you are animals. Some of you are useless animals like mosquito. Because if you're a mosquito, I really don't know your use. I am still investigating. Some of you are as useless as an animal, as a mosquito. It is the truth because you don't want to learn. Moya mua, mumubi, moya muama, moya buan tonto, moso infaso. Because we are bua krama ya so infaso. We are bua okra. We are bua kokwa. You are still choppable. We are entry and no, and I are buan tonto ana. We are bua once na. We are bua to say once na. Infaso be any so. Wouldn't answer kakrebia. Who is the commander-in-chief? It's John Mahama. Don't come and tell me to blame the soldiers. Why John Mahama is the commander-in-chief of the armed forces. But who mama do go school no or to work trying to my mama now I have boa and wa. So that's what you come and do. Sammy Gyamfi, Aqua Manipa 22 yeah count here Jimmy. What's here? Jimmy. And former 22 and thanks to lawyer Sammy Gyamfi and now Oba no only the to PMMC ano on that minerals commission on Ghana for gold so Sammy Gyamfi na Ghana for gold so meanwhile no wakochim ranti atrase aka kire wo mu se omummo wo mu no maban ba omube mo maye galam se enti dia 20th of October na yekwasiada and I'm koshe wo mu bo mu wie na mu yi another kwasiada and I'm ku wo mu isn't it mo fe wo mu 20th of October and I'm ku wo mu da ben mo anche ka be 4 days nka 20th na